Hey, hey, hey. So, what's this video gonna be about? Well, I've got an idea. It's not gonna be terribly long, but just some things on my mind. If you don't want to stare at my face for the next 5 minutes or so, then just hit that like button down below and you can be on your way. So everybody's wondering how you make it on YouTube. Everybody wants to quit their jobs that they hate and basically get paid to play, in a sense. And yeah, your first thought is, well, this guy hasn't made it. This guy's only got 30 some subscribers, and how can he claim to know how to make it on YouTube? Well, I'm a very intuitive person, and from what I've found out, it's not a fast process. You can't just make it overnight. These viral videos and stuff you see that you're like, oh, I can make something stupid and post it online and get millions of views and likes and stuff, and then I'll be rich and I'll be set. It doesn't quite work like that. It'd be great. I mean, myself, I would love to have a video go viral. But the problem with most of these viral videos is it's a one and done. They get their fame, they go, and then it's over, and people don't follow them, people don't watch them anymore, and they may or may not be making content, but it's just gone. Ouch. The important thing is you have to stick with it. It is a dedication. It is a very long, drawn out, convoluted process that you have to go through in order to make it on YouTube. And it's a lot of work. It's way more work than I think I anticipated. And I thought I was pretty prepared for the challenges that faced me. I have literally for the past probably 6 or 8 weeks. I've been staying up almost all night long between processing videos and recording videos a lot of times and just trying to get stuff edited and pushed out. Granted, I'm currently working on a very demanding upload schedule, which is great. It's my choice. It's what I wanted to do. I'm by no means complaining. I'm trying to be real with you to explain that this isn't easy. There's so much that goes in behind the scenes that sometimes we take for granted as viewers. Myself, I view a lot of YouTube videos as well, and it's easy to just think that all the work that goes into it is the video. It's like, oh, they record this video and then they go and they upload it and they're done and that's it. And there's so much more to it. But my as far as my tips for making it, if you're willing to put in the dedication and the hours it's going to take to make this crazy thing work. I mean, for me, I've been going since my first video was uploaded. I think it's been 4 years, somewhere like that on here. Granted, I spent some time where I wasn't quite so excited about it, and it just kind of died out because I didn't have the ability to make videos like I wanted to. And now that it's picked back up, there's still challenges in coming up with ideas and even having the money to make the projects happen that I want to do. But I'm still sticking with it because this is what I enjoy. This is ultimately this is what I would like to make into a career. Um, I love acting, and this is the easiest way for me in my small town to um, build a career in acting. And it's hard. It is hard, and that's not to be understated at all. But if you've got the diligence to stick with it and have the work ethic to work hard and work nights and weekends and holidays on most cases and um, put in tons of hours. I haven't even logged my hours up to this point, but if I did, it would not be pretty, I'm sure. But with all that in mind, my tips to make it on YouTube. Of course, this is my opinion. Take it with a grain of salt. The standard disclaimers, I guess. But the biggest thing is stay with it. Get an upload schedule, or at the very least, try and upload your videos regularly. It doesn't even have to be long videos. I've put up 20 and 30-second videos, and sometimes they have better response than my 5 and 10-minute videos or 20-minute videos. I think 20 or 30 minutes is the longest I've uploaded at this point. But on average, it seems to be around the 1 to 2 minute mark is what people are willing to consistently watch. You get a lot that watch the full length, but 1 to 2 minutes is about all they want to see, which is sometimes unfortunate for the creator because your content is expected to be jammed into that small area, and sometimes you just can't get that far. Like this video now, I just hit the 6 minute mark on it, and I really wasn't planning on it running that long. But it's easy to get burnout. That's another thing to keep in mind. If you're posting on a very aggressive schedule, it is very easy to get burnout. And I've been feeling that between doing the videos and staying up late and everything, and also working a part-time job in addition to that to actually fund this process until I can get on the ground rolling. It's exhausting, and it can put a toll on you and wear you out. I'm very tired right now. But all that aside, just keep in mind that it is hard. It is going to be hard work, and you can make it. It just takes time. It's not instant pudding. You can't just mix it all up and throw it in the fridge and you're ready to go in an hour. This is more like cook and serve. You've got to wait. You've got to work and watch it. If you don't watch it, if you don't pay attention, you can scorch your cook and serve, which is kind of the instant viral video sort of scenario. You cook it too fast and it scorches. It's a very bad analogy, but it's the best one that I could come up with right now. So we're going on 8 minutes almost here, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. But just know that I appreciate you guys. If you're wanting to get into this, hard work, dedication, lots of hours, many long nights. Those are the things it takes to make it on YouTube. People are like, oh, you need good content, you need the perfect stuff. There's not really a catch-all. Just do what you love. If you enjoy it, your viewers will enjoy it. You will get the one-off people that are just always out there to hate, just always going to dislike your videos. Don't worry about it. Your dislikes do not matter. They don't hurt the video at all. If anything, it actually helps the video because you're engaging somebody for that duration that it took to dislike your video. So it's another view, another engagement. It's actually helping you a lot more than the disliker probably thinks. So those are my tips. I'll probably come up with another video later that gives you more as I think about it and reach struggles along the way, but just keep pushing through. Just keep pushing through. That is the single best piece of advice I can give you. And one day you may make it. It may be a struggle for a long time, but eventually you'll get there. That's going to do it for this video, so until next time, stay random.